Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to slow roast your beef to make barbacoa. Trim your beef and remove any excess fat and cut it into smaller portions. You can get your butcher to do this, but then you don't get to slap your meat down like I did. You can use Silverside, chuck, brisket, any beef that's good for slow roasting really. Check with your butcher if you're not sure. But Lirim, I don't have a butcher. Well, then you should find a butcher and befriend them so they give you good deals on meat and tips on what to do with that meat. Anyway, brown your meat until you get a nice color on it, then blend chilies with onion, some form of chipotle, hot sauce, flavoring or seasoning, and beef stock. I'm going to put all the ingredients and the quantity of what I used, how much I used, down in the description below. Once it's all come together and blended, season your meat generously and massage the mixture in with the meat, making sure it's all been covered. Okay, moving on. Once you've done that, put the meat in the slow cooker and cover it with the rest of your beef stock. Low and slow is the go-to here, so I put it on the lowest setting and I left the beef cook for around 9 hours. If you don't have a slow cooker, just put it into a big pot and let it simmer away on a very low heat.
Much later.
I know it's a long time, but it's easy cooking and very little hassle, and if you can be bothered to do it in the morning, you'll have some amazing beef ready for you for dinner. You can also make loads of it and then freeze it, so you don't have to go through the process again. To accompany the beef, we're going to make a quick pico de gallo, onion, tomato, coriander, lime juice, and salt. Cut it up nice and fine and mix. It's as simple as that. Followed by a not so traditional guacamole. I just smush avocado with olive oil, lime juice, and salt. I don't like all that extra stuff in there, but just do what you like. That's the point of cooking, right? You can make what you enjoy eating. Anyway, now that I've triggered every Mexican person who watches this, let me make it up to you with a super cool edit of the final product. As always, if you can like the video, share it with someone, and subscribe, I would be grateful.